Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about how to fix Nintendo Switch Joy-Con drift. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is confirm it's a Joy-Con drift. So test analog sticks by going into system settings, controllers and sensors, and calibrate control risk. So you want to simply go ahead and recalibrate the Joy-Con on. So simply go to system settings, controller centers, and then calibrate your control sticks. If that is not working, simply go ahead and try updating your government system ID. Now, if that doesn't work, simply go ahead and keep away from magnets and reduce wireless interference. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and power off your device before sleeping or cleaning is going to be one of the best way to go ahead and do it. The final thing you want to do is simply press and hold the small sync button at the back of the Joy-Con for 5 seconds. A light will flash. Prepare the light glow to switch. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.